Hi everyone, and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Have you ever dreamt of thick voluminous hair? I personally have. Although my natural hair is far from being thick, I recently have discovered an easy way to make it look like it. Do you want to know how? Then continue watching. Okay, so here is Karina, myself at different angles. Obviously my hair is, let's say so-so. As to volume, oh well, what can I say, not everyone is lucky. So what's the easiest way to give your hair additional volume? Volume shampoo? Yes, but what if that is not enough? Clip-in hair extensions, believe me. Since I have changed my hair color recently, I decided it was time for new hair extensions as well. As a result, I discovered Halo clip-in hair extensions, which I got from online. Since I was hesitant about which hair color to choose, I decided to ask the company for advice, and as you can see, it was worth it. We have a match. Since I've always wanted to have a lot of hair, I decided to go for a 16-inch full head clip-in human hair. The full head set consists of 8 pieces, of which 4 are with 1 clip, 2 with 2 clips, and 2 with 3 clips. And here how the clips look like. They're very easy to clip open and shut. And I definitely have to mention that the hair quality is just amazing. So let me show you how to apply these hair extensions. Using a brush or just your own fingers, yes, it's that simple, divide your hair into 2 parts. Secure the largest part of your hair on top of your head so that it's easier for you to clip in the extensions. Take the hairline with 2 clips and open the clips, and then grab some hair with a brush on the clip. Push the clip to your head and clip it shut. And now release your hair and mix it with extensions. Now let's add some more volume. Divide your hair again into 2 parts. Secure the largest part of your hair on top of your head. Take a hairline and open both clips. And then apply the extensions. Release hair, and yes, mix it together. And I bet it's the time when you start feeling your hair volume getting increased. Now let's add the longest hairline with 3 clips. The routine is the same, with an exception that you need to make sure that you have enough hair to hide the clips. I know it sounds a little bit odd, but this is true in my case. I just don't have enough hair to cover the second hairline with 3 clips if I wanted to. So just bear that in mind while you are choosing which hair extensions to purchase. Okay, so add the hairline like this. And then mix it with your own hair. Oh my god, it feels so amazing to have such a thick hair. Alright, so let me finally show you how to apply the smallest hair extensions with just 1 clip. I usually apply these small ones to both sides of my head. Like this. And like this. And we're nearly done. Just brush your hair to give it a little bit more natural look. And then puff it up a little bit, just in case you want to make sure that all clips are covered. And here's the final look. I bet you can't see how much more voluminous my hair has become. No? Okay, here's what my hair used to look like without any extensions on. And here with. Can you see how thick it has become? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you still have questions, just let me know. Just in case you're wondering once again, these are hair extensions that I got from halohairextensions.com. Its price is £34.99, which is around $52, and the company ships worldwide, so if you happen to live in faraway land, you still shouldn't be worried. And I guess this is it. Subscribe if you still haven't. Love, your Karina.